Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video here on Joey Dutch. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to set up your Wacom tablet or any other graphics tablet for use in Photoshop when you're retouching. So let's get right to it. This is the Wacom tablet's properties whenever you install a new Wacom tablet on your laptop. So I'm using a Wacom CTL 490, the small size. You can check it up on Amazon or Google. But if you have the money to purchase any other brand, it's all up to you. So this is what I do here in my properties. I add the application I want to do the settings for, and with this plus sign, go look for the application on my laptop, then I add it. So I have Photoshop and Lightroom. So in Photoshop, this is what I think I have done to my pen settings in Photoshop. I've decreased the pressure sensitivity in Photoshop, the tip fill, so that I have to apply more pressure before I get what the current pressures bar raising up. So this is me applying a little pressure and more pressure. So this I use in dodging and bending a lot, because in dodging and bending is more of building up what your brush. So less pressure, more pressure, less pressure, more pressure. So basically, this is the only thing I think I have done here. Oh, and I've customized my buttons on the pen. So right click and a keystroke, because I have some problems with my keyboard. So but that's not what we're talking about. So here, this is basically what I do in the Wacom tablet's properties. Now let's go to Photoshop. In Photoshop, you're looking at using the brush and the mixer brush. People use the mixer brush because people use the mixer brush for frequency separation. The brush also for dodging and bending in any other application of the brush. So with the brush, I think I want to show you guys what to do. So in brush settings, kindly check your shape dynamics, right? Shape dynamics should be checked on. Set your control. Every control you see here, set it to pen pressure. And specifically follow these settings you're seeing here. Move your minimum diameter to 100. Let me take it down to 0. This is what you get. You realize you have a sharp edge, two sharp edges, one from the beginning and one from the end. That is not what we are looking at. We are looking at a very soft end and a very soft end at both edges. So soft starting, end starting. So move the minimum diameter to 100. Your angle jitter. Let me move this out and see what will happen. Okay, I don't think you see it here, but when we come to the mixer brush settings, I think you see that. I still set this to pen pressure because it's more of pen pressure than using the mouse. But with these settings I'm having here, you can also do it for the mouse, but I don't think you would have to set your control to pen pressure if you are using a mouse to retouch. But I would advise you to get a Wacom tablet or any other graphics tablet you can afford. So basically, this is what I think you do here. So this is what the minimum roundness does. So taking it out, this is what we get. Adding the minimum roundness, and we have a soft round brush. Kindly also check your transfer, because your transfer has to do with how you move your brush from a startup point to an end point. So check on your transfer, let it be on pen pressure. Also check your smoothing, because it works best. Now let's move to mixer brush. So if you're wondering where your mixer brush is, and this is, I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2019. Tap and hold and locate your mixer brush. So this is my mixer brush. In my shape and dynamics, the same setting, but here you realize I haven't moved the angle jitter. So let's move the angle jitter and see what happens. And take off this minimum diameter. Nothing happens, but I think it has to do with the angle at which you point your pen to your graphics tablet. So let's leave it at 0 and move this minimum diameter to 100. Taking it out, we get the same problem we had when we were setting up for the brush. So move it to 100, set every control to pen pressure. Let's reduce the minimum roundness, and this is what we get. So move that also to 100 and check your scattering. Move the control to pen pressure and don't do anything here. Come to transfer, the same setting, pen pressure, pen pressure, pen pressure. And don't forget to check your smoothing. Don't move this minimum stuff here, because after moving it, this is how hard the edges look like. But you're looking at what? A very soft beginning. Same goes for this and that. So thank you guys for joining my video here on YouTube. Thank you if you have been with me for quite some time. Smash the like button if you like the content I just put up, and leave a comment down in the comment section below if you didn't get anything, or if you have any concerns relating to any other video I have put up here on my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining in, and if you haven't subscribed already, kindly subscribe and turn on that notification button so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified whenever I drop a new video here on my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.